run.
Let's fucking go. Get out of here.
I don't know what this shit will do. I don't think it will explode though.
Let's see the magic.
No, the other one was mad loud, dude.
But it wasn't as great as the one I did.
Yeah,
that we did.
Yeah. Oh man.
That can is strong too, so I mean it's like thick.
Yeah, those ashes are gonna start a fire, dude.
Fuck it, man. We're just gonna run.
And his house is gonna burn down. No more four-wheeling. No, that's not gonna stop.
No, you never know. That shit was the can is.
Yeah, his can.
Oh shit!
My fucking god!
Shit.
Oh my god!
Holy fuck!
Yo, that shit was bigger than.
Oh!
I was about to.
Yo!
No, nothing's gonna happen.
What the?
I was gonna